Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, there are two ways to use it. The first way is to look at the top of your mobile screen. You will see a search bar. It's for using Meta AI. If you tap on it, here you can do a direct search with the help of Meta AI. The following way to return from here is to tap the arrow icon on the top left. Take a look at the bottom right. Here, you can see a button for Meta AI. If you tap on it, the chat box of Meta will open, and you have to write your message. Meta AI will reply to that message, but there are a few limitations. It cannot generate videos, but can only generate pictures. If you want to generate a script for videos, Meta AI can generate scripts for you. It can also help you with your studies. You can also write assignments with the help of Meta AI. For example, I will ask to generate a short script for a story. I will write about a boy who is lost in the jungle, and I will search by tapping on this arrow icon. As you can see, the Meta is thinking and writing my script. If I scroll down, here is the script of my video. If you read the script, it looks insane. So, it was the primary way by which you can use it for your personal use. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.